Hey everybody, and welcome back to Empty Pockets Ironworks. Thank you for joining me again this week. For this week's video, I'm going to switch gears a little bit. We're going to kind of break away from the fall themed Halloween decorative stuff that I've been doing in the last few videos. This video is going to be a little bit more personal. The project at hand today is we're going to be doing a freestanding decorative cross, similar to the Celtic cross that I did in a previous video. It's been several months ago now, but this one holds a little bit more meaning, and the reason being is this one is going to be donated this week to a charity raffle. And the charity at hand is for a very near and dear friend of ours, Empty Pockets Ironworks, Make It Yours. The individual's name is Heather, and she was recently diagnosed with stage 4 bone cancer, and I don't know any of the details, so in the comments if you ask, I don't know a whole lot about it. I do know, however, that in a smaller community such as ours, when things happen to individuals or somebody needs help, people pull together and they do what they can. Well, Heather has created a bucket list, and it is a very well thought out, very emotional bucket list, and it's not anything that's in the far reaches of being outrageous. In her ever so sweet demeanor, she is just asking for simple things that a lot of people, I think, take for granted. So with that, one of the local community members actually mentioned putting together this raffle to try to help fund some of those items that are on that list that may not be obtainable. Through circumstance, they're still relatively new business owners. They've poured basically everything that they've got into taking this business over, and I won't go into details, but let's just say that it's been a battle for them. And so for today's video, the item that I'm going to make is for that raffle that was brought up by the community member. And so I'm hoping that it goes over really well. I'm hoping that people buy tickets for it, or however they plan on doing it. It doesn't matter to me. I just hope that in some small way it's able to contribute to somebody that has really been there for us since Empty Pockets Ironworks conception. You know, in this type of work, finding good deals on materials and steel, welding materials, that sort of thing, gases, everything costs, and being a small business owner themselves, they understand that, and they've really went out of their way to try to help us out. And so for me to be able to do something that can potentially help them out, it's kind of an emotional thing for me too. And I'm rambling, I'm probably getting lost in the context of this. Either way, I hope you enjoy today's build. I won't do too much in the way of talking about materials. We'll just see this thing unfold. And if you would like some information or would like to possibly help, I can maybe provide a link to the individual through Facebook that is actually putting on the raffle. I don't know that it'll extend out that far, but you know, anything helps. These are fantastic people, and like I said, they go out of their way to try to help us out, and I'm really hoping that this helps them out. So for those of you watching, I hope you enjoy, and Heather, I know you typically see all of my videos. This is for you, and hopefully it will benefit you well. So thank you all. you.